How to add Google Maps location to Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add Google Maps location to Instagram. So let's get started. So first just head over to your Google Maps and simply search in for the locations of the map which you want to add on your Instagram profile. So let's say I want to add this specific place location on my Instagram profile. So what I will do is just click on the share button over here and simply copy the link, and as you can see my link has been copied. So what I'll be doing next is just head back to my Instagram profile just like this by simply clicking on this bottom right corner and just click on this edit profile button over here on your profile, and now simply scroll down and click on this links. So once you tap on this links button, you can see there's an option to add external link. So you basically just tap on this and make sure you have copied the previous link just like this. And once you do that, you can also add a title to it. Let's say my business, which is not my business actually, but I can assume that, and just like that I can actually add the Google Maps location to Instagram. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.